Hey, welcome to a new day and a new lesson. Today, we begin talking about adjectives. First, we will start with possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are placed before nouns to show ownership or possession. Together, we will learn, memorize, and practice. The English possessive adjectives are, if you're talking about yourself, my, my, my. If you're talking to someone, your, your, your. If you're talking to or about a man or boy, his, his, his. If you're talking to or about a woman or girl, her, her, her. If you're talking about a thing, object, or place, it's, it's, it's. If you're talking about a group of people, including yourself, our, our, our. If you're talking to or about a group of people, not including yourself, your, your, your. If you are talking about a group of people who are a little further away, or just in general, their, their, their. Let's look at some examples of how to use possessive adjectives. Remember, to show possession of a noun, you can just add apostrophe S. So here we have Amy's dog. Amy owns the dog, so it is Amy's dog. Amy's dog. If you are Amy, you can also say my dog. My dog. My dog. Remember, possessive adjectives always go before the noun. Let's look at another example. David's hat. David's hat. David's hat. You can also say your hat. Your hat. If you are talking to David, you can say your hat. Let's look at this example. Here we have Randy's house. Randy's house. Randy's house. If you are referring to Randy and his house, you can use the possessive adjective by saying his house. His house. His house. Pam's book. Pam's book. Pam's book. If you are referring to Pam, you could also say this by using the possessive adjective and saying her book, her book, her book. Let's look at when we have two or more people who we are referring to, including yourself. In this example, we have Amy and Alan's baby. Amy and Alan's baby. Amy and Alan's baby. You can also use the possessive adjective by saying our baby, our baby, our baby. Next, we have the worker's job, the worker's job, the worker's job. If you are talking to the workers, you could also just say your jobs, your jobs, your jobs. Let's look at one last example. The children's ball, the children's ball, the children's ball. You can also say this sentence by using the possessive adjective and say their ball, their ball, their ball. Fantastic job. As always, I enjoy learning English with you. Remember, you need to practice, practice, practice. And when practicing how to use possessive adjectives, remember, the possessive adjective always goes before the noun. All right, that is all for today. Click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. Have a great and wonderful day, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.